At Math Stackers, we believe that math is an active exploration filled with questioning, curiosity, and creativity. We believe that anyone can learn and be excited about math. The inspiration for Math Stackers began about 13 years ago when I first started teaching. I was faced with a big problem. I had many students that had a very negative attitude towards learning math, and it made me really reflect, what is the root problem here? I realized that they didn't really know how to use the properties of math. They didn't see addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division as related, and that they could manipulate them to make sense about the problems. So we needed to make math tangible. It needed to be fun, interactive, and easily manipulated to show how math works. What better way to do that than with exploring and playing with blocks?
I think Math Stackers really maximizes children's discovery because it allows them to see math in more than just an abstract concept. It really allows them to feel the blocks, count the numbers, so they can take a number 9 and see that it's less than 10 or more than 5. And it allows them to do so in a way that's risk-free. They can try new things and try new learning, and then if it doesn't work out, they can knock it over and start again.
Many of our students have the idea that math is a very difficult thing to do. They are afraid of it. But numbers are just the representation of things. So when they can see it and move it and take it, they're taking ownership of the learning. And oh, I got it, it's easy. And they come to the realization that actually math is fun.
We chose blocks because they have this fun aspect. And you're a kid and it's kind of this open-ended, I can build anything that I want to build. And we need that to show math because in math, operations are actions, right? So for a kid to be able to reach out and pick up a value 4 and pick up a value 6 and combine them and show that with tangible objects, they are acting math. They are showing what math is.
The Discovery Guide is a scaffolded lesson plan for teachers. So level 1, the kids get the blocks, say they're trying to make combinations of 10. They are just playing with all the blocks that add up and stack up to 10. And then level 2, they could try it with different add-ins to 10. And then at the end, just so they could practice that learning that they've acquired, they are able to play a game or a challenge. My favorite part of it is when I watch the kid with the stackers and he might not get it right, but then he realizes, and now try that again. Did that equal up to this equation? And they're like, oh, I can figure that out. Okay, yes, I got it. And just to see their eyes light up when they're like, I've got it. And that's long term. It's an experience that they created on their own. And I believe that's why Math Stackers helps them have a love for math.
Math Stackers can be used to teach not only basic addition and subtraction, but you can go in to teach multiplication, division, fractions, algebra. And when I began using them with students and seeing how they could, even as young as kinder, build numbers beyond 10, they began to see commutative property at a very young age. And I thought, wow, this is going to be great for them. Their foundation will be set when they get to middle school because they truly understand the concepts of math, not just a memorized formula.
What I've been experiencing with my son actually using Math Stackers is that he has been able to make connections. Learning information in isolation is just information, but when you can connect it to your real life and to your problems, then you got a gold mine. And I think Math Stackers is doing that for my son. It's helping him connect what he knows.
Mathematical thinking provides a different way for kids to see and understand the world in which they live and interact. It promotes perseverance, resilience, and a passion to problem solve. By teaching our kids how to think in this way, we are empowering them to tackle new situations and problems. And as this thinking grows, we create world changers.